Wow. Believe it or not, this is actually a commercial Defender. Have you ever seen a hardtop that looks like this with the full urban treatment? This is a new but registered 110 3-litre diesel, 250 horsepower hardtop commercial. VAT qualifying. Like I say, it's new but registered. Claim the VAT back and run this through your business. But what a head turner. It doesn't even look like the commercial vehicle. Thousands have been spent on this by Urban Automotive to give it this exterior look to die for. 22-inch wheels, full front and rear conversion. It's stunning, but this has also got a jump seat. It's got air suspension. It's got a detachable tow bar. It's got cold climate package. So features that make it very special anyway. For me, this is like for like the best vehicle for a 110 commercial available in the marketplace today. And on a 24 plate, it's done delivery miles. So you're buying yourself a new but registered vehicle. Let's look at some of these exterior features first, because with the urban styling, this has been given the full treatment, fully colour coded, black and Carpathian Grey. That is a premium palette Land Rover paint colour, which looks fantastic because it gives you that two-tone accent around the car. The black badges, midsection, urban badges, urban lettering, that just gives it that bit more, doesn't it? We've also got the urban bonnet insert, urban wing insert, Wild Track arch extensions, 22-inch wheels with all-terrain tyres, light pod, roof rails, urban rear spoiler. Check this out, with steps, with mud flaps. It's just fantastic, and it doesn't stop at the front either. We've got the darkened tail lights. We've got full extended colour-coded sections around the car, Urban Automotive, spare wheel cover, and the spoiler. But then this is a commercial, so you're getting that van-like space in the rear. The air suspension is a massive option, as is that detachable tow bar, which gives you the option to pull something if you want to. The vehicle is in a new condition. It's done 200 miles. You get side access as well into the rear with lockable space under the boot floor. You can see that access there. And then inside we have that jump seat with the air suspension, rubber floor mats, cold climate package with heated steering wheel, heated washer jets, black headlining. It's a special, special commercial vehicle. If you're wanting to buy something through your company, it might be that time of year where you need to spend some money instead of giving it the tax man, basically. Lots of people ring us wishing to do that. Then get yourself the best commercial Defender in the market today for sure. Look at the colour. It's just fantastic. Steps help you get in these cars. Once you're in a great driving position. Obviously, this is a jump seat car, so we have the third seat in the front. If you're not using that seat, it pops down like so into an armrest. Then we're nice and comfortable. Leather wrapped steering wheel, leather wrapped gear shifter, heated steering wheel, full digital driver information system, which is not a standard feature in a Defender, so you can fully switch that. Then we've got, if you come inside, we've got the air suspension settings. If you're going to take this off-road or you're going to go on building sites, it's a massive feature to have. Heated front seats, digital climate control, obviously your 360 camera. Now this one with the detachable tow bar from factory has the on-road, off-road and the towing camera. Attach your tow bar, you've got the guidelines, and then we've also got the 360 camera system as well, which gives you full surround view cameras. Just a great vehicle. Heated front and rear screens. We've got wireless smartphone integration, which is really fabulous for me, and it's just in a new order. It's the exterior look that I think is going to sell this, but with a jump seat and air suspension, not only is it a special car in its specification, but it is that Urban Automotive styling that is just fantastic. It's surely a head turner and surely a very, very quick seller for us. So if you're interested in this car, my name's Richard, my number's on the screen. Please call me. Thanks for watching.